Good morning, friends. Good morning, Arvind. So, as of present situation, Nifty is right at support zones. That is 17,900. 795. That is the first support which we have mentioned today. So, as of now, we have done a low of 17,779.85 and slowly reclaiming from there. Not sure how the day is going to go, but if this low is not broken, I'm sure that we are going to have a decent recovery, at least till 17,950 zones. Let us see how the day progress. We'll also be here to assist you, and in Telegram channel also we are there, so don't worry. Good morning, Ravi Teja. 17,950 will cover the gap. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Let's see if the low is not broken again, and if it holds, definitely we'll be seeing a recovery in later part of the day. All you want to do is only one thing which has supposed to happen is the profit booking in HDFC Twins should get over. If that is getting over, automatically Nifty will start rising along with Bank Nifty as well. I hope people are already in with the 17,900 call which has been suggested earlier. Couple of other calls has also been suggested for the premium members, but in free group I have suggested only this one, and have given one ICICI Bank call, but the level has not got activated over there. So let's not worry about it big. Whatever gives us opportunity, we will grab it. Let us see. Nifty futures we have given for premium members at 17,850. Now it's already 30 points up from there. And the Bank Nifty is also 100 points above the low. So probably HDFC Twins has stopped. Yes, 1563 is the low of HDFC Bank, and 2555 is the low of HDFC. So if these two doesn't break, for sure we will have a recovery. Anyone have queries? So Sanjay, can you please share your view on Titan positionally? Arvind, are you asking for a swing trade, or is it for investment purpose? If it is for investment purpose, you need not worry about the price. You can buy Titan at any levels. But if it is for swing, let us check the charts and have a look of it. Charts of Titan on daily time frame, exactly hovering between the 10 and 20 moving average. It is like a consolidation kind of stuff for last 8 trading sessions, and RSI is above 50. I believe that it is going to move up. I believe that is definitely going to move up, but the confirmation will come once 25665 is getting crossed and closed above it. If you are a risk taker, you can take position right now also. You can hold it with a stop loss just below 2500 for targets of 2700 on swing basis. Swing in the sense, maybe you need to supposed to hold, you must supposed to be holding in a time frame of at least 10 to 15 days. That is the minimum time frame for swing trade. Don't expect, don't come and say me that I want to trade for 3 or 4 days and that is called a swing trade for me. That is not correct. Swing trade means you need to hold the position for at least 10 to 15 days, or sometimes even 1 month as well. Okay. So what's the next query? Tata Motors 460 call at 18. See, you should not ask this question, bro. See, you have invested at 18. It is already at 21. Lot size of Tata Motors is 2500, which means you are in 7500 rupees gain. Who stops you to book profit over there? Can you find some other business which give you 7500 rupees for say, just sitting in front of your system? That's not the ideal question. You should be happy with this profit and you should book. Gautam, hi Anna, what about ICICI futures? கௌதம், உங்களுக்கு தான் தேங்க்ஸ் சொல்லணும். நிறைய queries எல்லாத்தையும் சார்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிங்க எனக்கு யூடியூப்பில். ஐசிஐசிஐ ஃபியூச்சர்ஸ் நான் வந்து 733 சொன்னேன்ப்பா, ஆனால் அது 734.5 மேலே போயிடுச்சு. லெட் அஸ் see if it gives opportunity we can grab it, or else we need not chase anything. But ICICI is looking strong than Axis Bank or IndusInd Bank at present, or even Kotak. Okay. $2700 call new, now it's near cost. Arvind, I believe it is Titan. I have just updated about Titan, bro. A clear confirmation you will get only when it closes about 2565. If it closes about 2565, for sure it will move up. And your stop loss must be 2500 on closing basis. If that goes, if that level goes, then you are supposed to exit. So is the lot size changed for Tata Motors? me see. 2850. Oh, you are saying your target is 21. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Bipin. Actually, I thought that you are already in profits and the current market price is 21. See, let's see Tata Motors by chart as well. Tata Motors. Yes, it's going to move up. It's going to move up at least till 471. At least till 471. I believe there is some news in this counter. Actually, there is a plan to launch another EV in their car segment. So probably it will definitely move higher. But if you want a stop loss, then 440 is your stop loss in spot. If 440 goes, then you are supposed to exit Bipin. This is for you on Tata Motors. Its current price is 1870. Okay, that's fine, Bipin. I have given you the target. 471 is the price which I am looking for Tata Motors. If my stop loss holds, definitely it will happen. No matter what happens in the broader market, because Tata Motors moves on its own. It will not respect the broader market trend as long as there is something very deep in red or very deep in the green. So you know not in stock specific you can hold your long in Tata Motors. And I have suggested you the stop loss as well. See, it's very simple, Bipin. Uh, you can also go through this kind of charts. One fine day, you will also become an expert. Don't worry. Don't think that uh, only others may help you. You can also find your own views. Okay. So just see this chart and this indicator. I mean, a green tick. Actually, that is Viva. Okay, volume weighted average price. So once this green color arrow comes, that is a buy signal. So in that case, it is clear and evident that it is going to move up. Of course, there will be some consolidation kind of stuff when the when the broader market is little bit down. But for sure, this is going to move up. The stop loss for your trade is 440. But in options, if it goes there, premium will erode little bit higher, and because of the lot size 2850, I would suggest you to have a stop loss of 15.50. If 15.50 goes on downside, and if it's trading below that 15.50, maybe even 15 minutes, you can exit your position. Nifty future. we are supposed to break out. Let us see. And this is just an update about yesterday's Alchem call, Alchem 3600. We have given a 100. It went till 108 yesterday. Yesterday as well as even today, somewhere near 105 was the high. Now quoting somewhere near 90. 90.65 is the price. My stop loss is 80 on closing basis. Intraday, if it breaches, don't worry. But if it closes below 80, you are supposed to exit. Since the lot size is small, you can take a risk and hold it. Alchem, actually speaking, it is in green today, even in negative markets. So probably if market recovers, he will also move on the higher side. Let us see. Infosys 1900 call is a very good result based bet, but there will not be any stop loss until the premium erodes 50%. If someone is ready to take that risk, can go for it. Buy between 34 to 36 and hold it. In the upcoming sessions of our live, I may provide you an update. But don't assume that I will provide an update for you to book profits. I will provide you an update if it goes on the opposite direction. Where is the stop loss? As always, targets are only for premium members, not for free members. I am trying to help you out with your positions. I'm just checking charts of gold. Will try to give one call in gold mini. Just give me a minute. I will check the charts and get back to you. gold. Yes, people who are willing can take gold mini. It's April contract. I mean, sorry, May contract. Trade as per levels given. Nifty is slowly progressing up. If one candle forms above the red moving average, then we will be in a good shape to move on the higher side. Until then, it will be a consolidation and stagnant kind of move. Let us see whether it happens. If that happens, there will be a crossover, like red will come down and green will move up. In that case, it will be a convincing buy signal. Same way here as well. We are in this one is options 17900 call, whereas this one is futures. But the OI data at present is extremely bearish. Not sure why it is showing like that. As per the data which we have currently, we have writers even at 17900 strike, 17850 strike. On the call side, which is very high. For this to get changed, most probably the HDFC twins should participate, or else Reliance must move on the higher side. Actually speaking, Reliance is a bit down, I guess. Let me see. Yeah, Reliance is 0.5% down. Couple of minutes back, when we saw that HDFC twins has stopped falling, but they have started falling again on the downside. They are almost close to the intraday lows. See this. See, HDFC Bank is like the king. Oh, he will do anything, whatever he wants. Couple of minutes back, we have seen HDFC Bank at higher levels. Higher in the sense, it fell down, it recovered. See, it recovered and then it came down. Same is getting replicated in HDFC as well. So result is what we are seeing in the screen now. It has claimed little bit. Actually speaking, it is not a recovery kind of stuff. It stopped falling, but now it is again intensifying the fall. But anyways, we have a stop loss in place. Let's see how best our things are going. Open interest data is always subject to change, so we need not worry about it. Whatever we are seeing right now may change in another 15 20 minutes, so we may not bother about it in deep. Okay. What is the period of moving average you use? Why do you want to know what I use? That is a big question, right? Don't think that whatever I use will suit for you. So go with the common moving averages like 20, 50, 200. That is more than enough for learning. And if you want to explore something new, try with different kind of moving averages, whichever you feel that it might work for you. Say for example, if you feel that your uh, birthday will work for you and your birthday falls on 20th of every month, just go with 20 moving average. That is more than enough. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about what others use. Customize yourself. It's exactly hovering near the lower end of the line. Actually speaking, we as traders will get upset if we see this kind of moves, right? We want either to move on the higher side or on the lower side. We will not be happy if we are seeing this kind of stagnant moves. It's like very boring today. Yeah, in fact, every day it will be from 11 till 1:30 or 12:30, whatever the European market timing is. Actually speaking, European market opens at 12:30 during normal timings, and at 1:30 if there is daylight savings. Okay. So until this timing, from 11 to this timing, it will be like slow and stagnant move, which will make everyone irritate, especially the traders. Let's see where gold is. Okay, gold mini which we have seen. Oops. I think I have clicked something. I don't know whether it is moving or not. Not seeing the charts moving. Let me refresh the screen. Yes, now it is getting updated. Let us see this gold. Comfortably within our range. Those who want to take trade can take. What happened? This screen, I believe, whether it is updating or not, the rates. When I see the actual screen, it is getting updated. Over here, 17,900 call is at 43.10, 43.20, but it is showing 42.65. I think there is a time lag over here. Small difference. Yeah, now it is getting updated. Right. Guys, if you feel that this kind of live session is helpful, please do share it to your friends so that they may also join and post queries during market hours and get it rectified, I mean addressed on their positions. If you feel that it will help, you can share. If you are not comfortable in sharing, then no issues for me. It's just a request. That's it. Mahindra. Three. It's neither moving on the upside nor moving on the downside. Actually, this needs to be called as sleeping hours. Very boring moves. Only very rare occasions we have some good moves during this time frame. Let us see how it goes. One push from any biggies. Reliance, HDFC Bank, or even from Bajaj Finance or ITC, ICICI. If anyone gives one push, this will go higher. Any one or two. Somebody of you asked me query about escorts, I believe, yesterday in our Telegram queries group. Escorts. Yeah, this is the one which I am speaking about. Yesterday, somebody asked a query saying that he holds 1800 or 1900 call at higher levels. Is it wise for him to hold, or and again he asked stock raised more than 4%, but my option price haven't raised. Actually speaking, there is some news about this company. Some investor is going to buy stake at some important levels. We don't know about the right levels which investor is going to pick the stake. So that is the reason this stock has a huge difference between spot and futures. It's almost 240 points difference between spot and futures. It's because of this only the stock price, even if the stock price moves higher, the deep out of the money call prices will not move. So if you find any such stocks like this, please avoid trading in it via options. If you want, you can trade with futures or spot directly. Yesterday morning, we have provided one opening view saying that all WhatsApp geniuses will come and say that Nifty will go and hit all-time high now, but Nifty will have other plans. How many of you remember that? Yesterday morning itself, we have predicted that, not predicted. We have forecasted that this kind of profit booking will come, and Nifty will find resistance at 18,200 to 18,300 at 300 levels. That's what exactly happened right now. So now, if day's low is not getting broken, repeating again and again, if day's low is not getting broken, definitely we will see up move as time progress. Maybe even intraday today. If not today, definitely tomorrow. I'm sure about it. But the condition is we should not break the day's low again. If we broke the day's low, then we will go directly to 17,700. Yes, I remember your comment about profit booking. Which one, bro? Yeah, you are saying about Nifty's opening view, right? Okay, fine. That is the nature of markets. Okay, it market is always expected to do the unexpected things from us. When somebody expects, when large part of the crowd expects something, market will not do that on time. It will delay it. When nobody is expecting, or even very few are expecting, at that time it will perform. That is the ideology of markets. But many of us will say that we are going to follow the trend, chase the trend, etc., etc., etc. So, what if somebody has followed the trend? Trend was on the higher side, right? What if somebody took a long yesterday? So, technicals is also good and wise, but in between, you need to use some basic logics. Are we picking up some stream? Let us see. Green bar is coming. Let's see. Yes. Wow. Very nice. Now in next couple of minutes, probably this green moving average will cross over the red moving average. If that happens, low for the day is done. Most probably. Most probably. I would not be able to confirm right now. But if that happens, low is confirmed. And we may move on the higher side. Your position in Nifty 17,900 call is in profits right now. From 45 to 53. I think it has gone up higher. Yes, 55 plus. To your surprise, Infosys also is in profits now. We suggested at 34, right? Now it's at 35.75. Small number of points only, but in a free channel, that is what I can give. Premium members get targets. That's the difference between you people and there. We are almost done with 1 hour. So we will wind off today's session in live. We'll be active in Telegram. Don't worry about it. Let's see how slowly we are growing. Maybe if we have at least 50-60 participants, we will get questions often. We will keep on answering them and then the time will move on. Since we have only 4 to 5 people watching, it may obviously take time for people to know about the YouTube sessions and they will join our session. Let's see how best it goes and how long I may help you people in live markets. Have a good day, friends. Bye for now. We'll see tomorrow in live once again somewhere around 11 a.m. Bye.